If you are fond of reading newspapers, articles, or social media posts on mobile, but continuous reading and staring at mobile does not go comfortable on your eyes. Here is an easy tip. With that, you can listen to what is written on mobile instead of reading. Not only this, with this method, you have another benefit. You know and understand some language, but you can't read this language. Then this method will help you to listen that language as well. Let's start. Shortly saying, all you need to do is just install a Chrome extension which reads text and makes you listen this. Name of this extension is Read Aloud. I have pasted link of this Chrome extension in description. You can open from there. But Chrome extensions normally does not work on mobile Google Chrome. For this purpose, install Kiwi browser which allows Chrome extensions on mobile phone. I have given link of this browser as well below in description. Install this Kiwi browser, then just Google read aloud Chrome extension on your Kiwi browser. Add this to Chrome. Now open any site you want to listen. Select text and click read aloud. It will make you listen your selected text.
Last month, reports emerged that North Koreans working in China had rioted after finding out.
And from here bottom left corner in setting, you can adjust speed.
Sparked concern for the well-being of the tens of thousands of North Koreans working overseas.
Now here is BBC Punjabi page. I can speak and understand Punjabi language, but I can't read Punjabi text. No worries, this extension reads all languages. Let's just check.
ਗੁਰਦਾਸਪੁਰ ਵਿਚਲੇ ਰੈੱਡ ਕਰਾਸ ਨਸ਼ਾ ਛੁਡਾਓ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਵਿੱਚ 15 ਦਿਨ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਜੋੜਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਇਲਾਜ ਲਈ ਦਾਖਲ ਹੋਇਆ।
Here is another example. Let's listen BBC Urdu web page.
में दुनिया के सबसे बड़े पार्टिकल एक्सेलरेटर लार्ज हैडरन कोलाइडर एल हाई कोर्ट पर काम करने
Thank you.